Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and today I'm live here with you. I don't know if anyone is listening to me at this point of time or not, but this is my very first live session with you, and I have actually planned to do these live sessions with you because I want to interact with you, and I want to know what you think about my YouTube channel. It's been it's I have been creating videos for you from past 2 years, and I have got very awesome response from you guys. I receive emails on daily basis, and I try my best to answer all of them, but sometimes it's not possible for me to actually reply to everyone, and I wanted to do a live session with you so that you can ask questions and get answers at the very instant when you will ask those questions from me. I have planned that I will create videos about different trading strategies. We'll discuss about them here on our channel here, and we will also try to make um, robots from those trading strategies, because this channel is about programming. Okay, we discussed we I have created videos about MQL4 programming, which we use to create Forex EAs. I have also made several videos about Unity 3D C# programming, which we use to create games for our mobile phones, our desktop PCs, etc. And I also made some videos about forex trading, the basics of forex trading, to help new traders learn about it. Okay, this session is actually about that trading strategy which I posted few days ago, and that strategy actually came from a guy who emailed me that strategy, and his name was actually Inayat Paul, and he asked me to create a robot from it, and I was willing to make it for him, but I guess he was not able to sponsor me for it. So I thought, why not make this a robot for him, and also for all of those guys which are there on my YouTube channel and regularly watch my videos. And I posted that video for you so that I can get reviews about that trading strategy, and I was trying to figure out about what you guys think about that strategy, and I have received very positive feedback on that strategy. So I thought, why wait for a sponsor, and why not spend some time for you guys, okay, without charging any money from you. Okay, so why not sit down and make this robot and see how it works. And I have actually created a very simple robot here, and I called it, you can see the name of that robot here. And what the strategy was doing, basically it was placing a buy and a sell trade at the same time with 0.01 lot size. Buy trade will be having 0.01 lot size, and sell trade will also be having 0.01 lot size. So if market started going upwards, the EA will place double the lots on every 20 pips market moves in one direction, and it will close the other trade. Let's say we started here at this point of time. So what this EA will do, actually it will place a buy and a sell trade both at this point of time. And if market goes 20 pips on this buy side, let's say 20 pips are at this level, and on the other side, let's say 20 pips are at this level. Okay, so if market started going upwards, what this EA will do, it will place another buy trade at this level with 0.02 lot size, and it will close our sell trade which we started at this point of time, and it will close that, and it will open a new sell trade with 0.01 lot size at this time, at this level. It will close the previous sell trade, and it will start a new sell trade, and it will actually start a new buy trade with 0.02 lot size at this level. So it goes another 20 pips in the buy side. Let's say it goes up here, and the 20 pips is at this point of time. It will place another buy trade with 0.04 lot size, and it will close our sell trade which was 0.01 lot size, which we placed at this time, at this level, and it will place another sell trade with 0.01 lot size. So what this strategy is basically doing, if market is trending in one direction, it will be placing that sides, whether if it's going upwards, it will be placing buy trades on every 20 pips, and it will be placing with 0.01 lot size the first one, 0.02 lot size the second one, 0.04 lot size, 0.08, 0.16, and so on. And the very fifth trade in our example, where we took 100 pips as our target, if it goes 100 pips on one direction, the sequence is closed, gaining you about $100 if you started with 0.01 lot size. Okay, so if the market moves in one direction and it reaches our target, it will be giving us $100 profit, more or less. Okay, you cut your spreads, you cut your commissions, you cut your slippages, even then you cut all these expenses from that, and even then you will be getting about $100, more or less, that much profit after a successful sequence. And we also discussed what will be our worst case scenario in that strategy. And the worst case scenario was if our total maximum trades we decided are 5, and if our EA places 5 trades and it reverses after placing the 5th trade, and it goes the market started going the other direction, let's say downwards, and after placing 5 trades on that downward direction, if it reverses once again, and it reverses once again and once again, it keeps on reversing in that 80 pips, 90 pips range. That will be our worst case. And if you are clever enough, and if you are actually trading from a while, market never does that. Market never be in range of 80 pips for a longer period of time. Okay, you can see on this chart, which is Australian Canadian dollar pair, and you can see that it's most of the times the market does break out in one direction in a week. We'll say, let's say we in a week. Okay, so excuse me. So it does change in one direction, and if it does that, it will reach our target profit, which is 100 pips, and it will cover all of our previous losses. And yeah, so in this video part, actually I have created that basic EA which we discussed. It's not perfect, I need to improve it. It's not working perfectly at this point of time because I spent, I guess, only one day. I spent only one day in writing its code. So there are many problems in it that I need to solve, but I am going to show you what it actually does. So let's drop it on. Let's drop it on this pair, which is Australian Canadian pair, and this is the EA which I created. And when you drop it, you see these inputs. This magic number is for our buy trades, which this EA places. All of our buy trades will have this magic number. All of our sell trades will have this magic number. This is the comment of our trades. It's helpful in coding perspective. It's not something to do with it's actually helpful for coders and not for traders, so don't worry about that. This is our target of 100 pips. This is our SL of our each and every trade. We are using trailing stop in this EA, and our trailing stop value will be 20 pips. Our pip step will be 20. So we will be placing a new trade, a new buy or new sell trade after every this pip step pips. Okay, so we'll be placing a buy trade at 20 pips, another buy trades after 40 pips, another buy trades after 60 pips, so and so. I have actually made these variable available in our inputs so that users can actually go ahead and change these values. So if you are trading a currency pair where you are expecting a larger target, you can increase this value from 100 to maybe 200 or maybe even more than that. Just like let me close it, and just like you can see here, the market actually changed more than 200 pips in one day, in 1 hour. So if you're expecting something like this, you can actually increase this target value to 200. You can use the same pip step to add more trades. Like if you will use 200 pips target here, and you will use the same pip step number, you will be getting 200 divided by 20, that will be 10 trades. So what this EA will be doing, it will be placing one trade after every 20 pips, and it will be doing like 0.01, 0.02, 0.04, 0.08, 0.16, 0.32, so and so. It will place 10 trades if you will be using 200 pips target and 20 pip step. Okay, if you will use like 200 pips target and 40 pip step, it will place 5 maximum trades, but it will be placing those trades after every 40 pips. Okay, it will place one trade after 40 pips, another trade after 80 pips when market moves in our favor, and so and so. And this variable here is our starting lot size. We can increase it to 1, we can increase it to 10, whatever we like. Okay, so the purpose of providing these variables as inputs is to make it customizable, scalable actually. So if you have a decent investment, you can increase it to a number like 10, maybe 1. If you have a smaller investment, you can use 0.01. okay, and this variable, which is lot multiplier, it is actually doubling this number on every trade. Okay, if you will use something like 3, what it will do, the first trade will be 0.01, the second one will be 0.03, the third one will be 0.09. okay, so in if it's 2, you will be having 0.01, 0.02, 0.04. it will double the lot size. If you will have a 3, it will it will actually it will 3 times, okay, 3 times the lot size. You understand what I mean? So let's go ahead and click OK and see what happens. So as soon as I have dropped this EA on our chart, what it did, it actually placed one buy and one sell trade, not at the same time. Actually, I told you there are some problems in this EA at this point of time. So what it did, actually, it placed one buy and one sell, and for our buy trade, it also placed on every 20 pips from this buy trades opening price, it placed 0.2 after 20 pips, 0.04 after 40 pips, after 60, after 80. Okay, so that's what this EA does at this point of time. It places these pending trades. Okay, so if market starts moving upwards, it will be activating these trades on after every 20 pips, and if market starts moving down, it will activate these trades after every 20 pips. So this is actually the very first version of this EA which I made, and it has lots of problems in it, and I will be solving all of them one by one. So let me go ahead and see what is going on my channel here, and I see only one viewer watching this live session here. So anyways, I guess this is pretty much all for this part, and I will be coming back after every update I make in this EA. Okay, so for now, this is pretty much all for this session, and I will be back. Okay, see you next time. Have fun, take care, and bye bye.